Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, starting today, India has resumed some visa services. So related to this, I am gonna discuss my points. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, this is the right time. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And guys, also, I'm not a government representative or anyone. Um, this is just my personal opinion from an ordinary citizen point of view. Okay. So guys, I really welcome this step from all aspects. Definitely, I'm someone who likes good relationship between countries, and I was really upset when the diplomatic row between India and Canada took place. Now, if you see the impact of visa suspension and all other activities, who is gonna suffer in reality? Well, in reality, ordinary citizens are gonna suffer. I won't go into political aspects, but from my point of view, ordinary citizens. From Canadian side, like visa processing for all Canadian citizens were stopped, except like OCI and other services were still on, but tourist visa, other visas were stopped. And we saw various cases where people had real emergencies, like somebody who had a death in the family but couldn't travel because no visa service was available. Many people had booked vacations because this is the holiday season coming, right? This is the time most of the people go and flights remain booked. Now imagine how many of them would be devastated with this. So I'm happy that some services are resumed and more will be resumed, like remaining one will be resumed soon, hopefully. No idea. From the other side, like Government of Canada has stopped in-person services at some consulates in India. Again, that will impact applicants like ordinary citizens because diplomats, when they want to travel, they can travel anytime on diplomatic passport. But ordinary citizens, they need visa permit, and that is what was put under halt. So I really welcome this step, and from here, I wish that things improve only and all issues, all concerns get fixed between both the countries. This is what I would say. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.